Hey guys, Sarge here. I have finally found a holster to go with my Sig Sauer P220 Legion. Okay. It was a little difficult to find some holster companies that made it for the 10mm model. If you guys have just the normal P220 with the I believe it's a 4.25 inch barrel, you will not have a problem finding a holster for it. As for the 10mm with the 5-inch barrel, it is a little bit harder to find holsters, but you're not going to go wrong with the leather route. There are a lot of leather holster companies out there. This one is from Wright Leatherworks, and so I got this holster for it, guys. Pretty nice. It almost feels like it is Kydex in a sense. I mean, it's kind of crazy. This is very nice leather, guys. When the holster came, so this is called their inside the waistband pancake holster, I believe. If you go to their website, it's the only one that looks like this. This is a walnut color, which I really like, guys. But when the holster comes, these leather loops will be taken off of it, and you can place them wherever you want on 4 different slots on each side. So you can completely customize the ride height, whatever you want to do with this holster. It's not like a lot of the other options out there where you are stuck with basically what it comes with. The holster is insanely tight. So I'm going to be going through the break-in process for it, get it broken in, and then I'm going to carry this. And I've already tried it on. I'm going to show you guys a video of me out at the range, wearing it, concealing it, shorts and a t-shirt, shorts and jeans, a shirt and jeans style setup, just so you guys can see that it is possible to carry that big of a gun and have it comfortable, as long as you're wearing a proper belt, proper holster, things of that nature, guys. So real quick, we'll just kind of go through the holster itself. Very nice. I have taken the pistol in and out a couple times, reholstered it a couple times, and no issues. Like I said, it is pretty tight, but that is to be expected from a proper leather holster. The stitching is phenomenal on here, and I want to say that this holster ran me somewhere around $120. One thing I do want to talk about, Wright Leatherworks offers a express shipping feature. If you pay $60, they will express rush the order itself. If you don't, then okay, you're gonna wait however long it takes to get it. I am extremely impatient. Amazon has kind of pampered me too much, so I am impatient. So I saw that feature, I went ahead and took it, paid the extra $60. I got this whole holster within, I would say, a week and a half of ordering it. So it took a week and a half from when I placed the order, and I believe I even placed the order on a Friday, to now. So very fast with them making it, process, and shipping. Very nice, guys. Let me know what you guys would like to see out of this holster. I'm also going to review a couple other leather holsters, and we're going to see what leather holsters offers us, as opposed to some of the Kydex options and things of that nature. I'll tell you, for me, I'm a huge guy for carrying with leather holsters. They're more comfortable, and I know carrying a gun's supposed to be comforting, not comfortable, but if I can get the best of both worlds, guys, I don't see an issue with it. With this 10mm, I am going to be loading it up with G9 10mm Woodsman. It is 145 grain, traveling at 1400 feet per second. I will be coming out with a video as well, guys, showing you guys the best I can on shooting the shooting tree that I have up at the range, and just showing you some of the power that this 10mm has, and we might even go on a hunting trip and see what we can shoot with it. So looking forward to it, guys. Let me know what you all would like to see from a leather holster, what questions you guys have. You all can find me on Instagram at Shooting with the Sarge. As always, guys, stay tuned for more. Sarge out.